Okay, so we're out visiting a friend, and here's the air conditioner. This used to be a Tempstar Villager series, but apparently it died, and here is the new unit. The unit this replaced was the same as my uncle's, except it was a, his is a 3-ton, and he replaced it with the same unit. This is a Goodman. I'd estimate it's a heat pump. There you go, exactly. This is a 2000-something Goodman. I have a video of this when it was installed. It's 3-ton Goodman running and cooling mode. I missed it starting up. But this is quiet. This is one quiet Goodman. It's a 2010 model, I do believe. What kind of motor do you have? Zongshan broad ocean motor and 4 fan blades. A Coleman scroll. Ooh, that's some more, man. Can't get to the data sticker, but I have an over nowadays. I think this is a 2010 model. It replaced the older Tempstar Villager series. I could have done better on the line set. We got this installed by some cheap hack. This is a 410A system, I do believe. Anyways, I just thought I'd do this little revisited segment. Ouch.